Ahorita agarraron chili cheese fries.
It's ready for it.
Yeah, estamos esperando our food.
No, I put a towel.
Cheers. Burrito, ¿verdad? So we're right here waiting for Edgar and Valentine because we already hiked for 40 minutes and we're tired.
Yeah, and the van stopped right there.
Oh, there's a bench. Let's go. A ver.
And like they don't understand how to climb up here. First, do this. Now this.
Talk a little bit louder.
And there we go. We did it.
You climbed it up?
Yeah. And look, I have to go back down to do this.
Slow, okay? Because you could fall. Good job.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Careful, guys. There's a person coming down already.
So I guess we're going because there's a bench up there and he's running up there now. Ahorita miramos arriba. ¿Qué estás haciendo, cabrón? Ay, güey. Oh, es high up. Me tengo que levantar para subir muy bien. Ay. You're always arguing.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still
Where are we? On the steps. We came to, what is this called, babe? A nature center here in Wrightwood. You're walking the little trail thingy?
It's empty. Is this the way?
Careful. Este cabrón. Was that like a little pool thingy? Huh.
Maybe it's tap water.
Smile if I could take a picture. Okay, come on, let's go. So pretty up there. We just crossed this little bridge.
So you can look here and then come on around, and then we got a bear back there. So, and we ask that you don't touch anything except we have a long row of boxes that have holes in it, and you can stick your hands in it.
There you go. Why is that those? A squish box. It's also
Mayan was walked across the highway in Wrightwood and got hit by a car.
Oh,
Wow.
Yeah.
And my dad, we sometimes take highway too.
It's a big house.
Since we live in Mexico.
Mommy,
What happened?
It's got a fox. It's cute. Okay, we get squirrel. Right, Mommy?
Yeah, it's pretty. Monday.
These are the steps.
Oh, all the prints.
Mommy, look, it tastes like raw alder, right, Mommy?
It does.
Mommy, look, red peckles. Red peckles.
Woodpeckers?
Oh, like a reindeer. Mommy, look.
Huh?
So this right here, this had a frill. I'm like, fearless? This how to feel, mommy. Look, fearless? This how to feel.
It says do not touch, papito.
I know, for some reason. He looks like his hand. Look at you. That face. Yeah, they're talking about Stardogs. Look, they're talking about Stardogs. So cute. Oh, of all these big toes? Of all these big toes?
All of these don't see them.
¿Cuáles, amor? The woodpeckers?
Oh, this is a bush. Bush.
Look at this barrel. Oh, look at it. Look. Daddy, look. Wrightwood is trying to find a dog.
Go touch the bear fur. Go touch the bear fur.
No.
Let him touch the bear fur.
What's this?
His bear fur. Touch it. How the fur feels with the bear. You scared? Look at it.
Really, like it's really, soft. Like it's really soft.
Look, Daddy.
Listen,
Look.
It's so warm.
Hey, look. Look at all this stuff.
By Lake LA?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, so sometimes like in the afternoon you see them like just.
Yeah, we get them in the summer especially.
Mom, what's this?
Which one's
Mom, this is the deal. Mommy, look. This is the deal. Look, Mom.
It's deer.
I know, it's kind of sad.
Wood? That's wood.
But you have to put your hand in and guess. Guess.
It's wood.
Okay, next one without looking. The next one without looking. No. Put your hand in. Touch it.
An eagle?
Oh,
I think.
Put your hand in this one to see what it is.
Oh, it's like a feather.
What is it? And then
Like art. Look at that.
Oh, this is a pine.
Is it an ear?
no.
Oh, this is like a tail of a fox or something. Oh,
¿Qué pasó, mi amor? ¿Qué es esto?
This is usually like the rings. And like, usually there was an earthquake right here, so like it stopped like growing that much.
Okay.
That what?
Look, like the rings of like,
Oh, damn.
from 1650 to 2010.
And then it kind of went that way, and then it came back.
Yeah.
And that's when I was like, oh,
Look here.
okay.
You want to see your sticker?
And then
We
it was
didn't get
hard.
that close to Wrightwood though. We got
I mean,
close
it's
to Wrightwood.
close, but
A ver.
they kept it at bay, thankfully.
So we decided that from now on we're gonna take pictures on benches of them, and Valentine is taking forever. We're gonna get ice cream, but you have to hurry up. Nomás así viene corriendo. So we're walking to go get ice cream, and I forgot to record our food and what we ate, but it was so good, huh?
See like that.
Put your knees up.
Yeah, put your knees up.
Like I need the cannonball.
There we go. See, I'm nice.
He got scared. And he has tree sap on him when he sat down earlier.
This would look nice too on the entryway.
Yes, give me money.
We got a milk chocolate covered honeycomb tray, and then try
You
it.
should only put 2, just in case you don't like it. Okay.
I could taste one. No, I think I'll get yummy, tummy.
Let's see. Oh, it's good.
It's good.
Yeah. Oh, it's good.
I like it.
Well, they say it's good.
Gummy pizza and some rainbow ice cream.
Let me see.
It's chewy.
And I got me some little candles. Y luego my favorite, the caramel pecan roll. No se mira bien, pero ahí está. I got these little candles. They smell so good. They smell good, huh? Que él está oliendo como que si las puede oler el cabrón. Let me see. Smell it.
Smell it.
Oh, sí. They're gonna smell it, cabrones. I like this one.
I like this one.
The apple pumpkin.
Got it.
I think can't smell it. This one's my favorite one.
It's better.
I'm tasting like sweet ice cream or like pizza. Cheese, pepperoni, chile también, spicy.
Ah, shit, the man got me.
It's good.
I give it that. I give it ice cream.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.